Hi, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at Career Coach. Career Coach is a tool that we have here at MiraCosta that helps students explore careers based on their interests and connects them to academic programs. So to get to Career Coach, go to our homepage, miracosta.edu, scroll down, and click on this blue box here which says Try Career Coach. Now, if you were accessing this for the first time, this button up here will say sign up. And I encourage you all to sign up because that way you'll have an account and you'll be able to access your information later on. If you complete the interest assessment without setting up an account, then you'll lose that information. It's not going to save. So we're going to look at 3 different parts of Career Coach. We're going to look at the interest assessment, the careers, and programs. So we'll start with interests. Since I've already taken this assessment, I'm going to hit retake so you can see what it looks like when you're first accessing the product. So go ahead and let's see, you can take a 6-question one or a 60-question assessment. The difference is going to be this takes, maybe a minute or two, and this is going to take maybe 10 minutes or so, still not too long. I would encourage you to do the 60-question one if you have the time. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to do the 6-question one. Don't worry about having enough education or training to do the work. Don't worry about how much money you'll make. Just worry about your interests. What are you interested in? So would I like to work with my hands? Let's see. Hands-on with objects, machines, tools, plants, or animals. Work and play outside. Use my physical. No, thank you. I do not want to do that. Would I like to learn, observe, analyze, evaluate? Yes, that sounds more like me. Would I like to express myself creatively? Maybe. Would I like to inform, enlighten, help? Yes. Would I like to influence, persuade, lead, or manage? Like to work with numbers? Maybe, sometimes. So then my results here are based on my interest, and they're going to show my top 3 traits. If you click on show more, you can read a little bit more about each trait. And I encourage you to take a look at this, read through it, and see what resonates with you. And if it doesn't quite sound like you can go ahead and retake the assessment. But if it sounds like you, I would say go ahead and look at the career options. So now we're going to move down into the career section and discover our options. You're going to notice that up here there's a percentage match, and it starts at the highest match and it goes all the way down to the lowest match, all the way to 1%. So we're going to look at education and training. Click on career details, click on an area of interest, and you're going to start to see more information on different occupations. So if I was interested in this one, I would look at career details. And what I really love about Career Coach is that it's going to tie the occupational data to our local economy, to our regional economy in San Diego. So this median salary is based on San Diego, the annual job openings, San Diego County again. And then if you're interested in knowing what this is exactly, you can click on About, learn more about the daily tasks, learn more about the education level, what employees are looking for as far as hard skills and soft skills. And this is helpful as you start kind of narrowing down some of the options that you're interested in. The other thing that this does is that it's going to show you, in addition to the salary data, it's going to show you some projected demand regarding the employment. So for the next 10 years, is this occupation going to be in demand or not in demand? And if you want to look at some similar careers, so this is my current role. look at earnings potential, look at career details, and it also shows live postings, which is really helpful to see, okay, who's out there, who's hiring, what are they hiring for, what are the tasks that I would need to do. I think that's good to know. And now let's say that you're interested in a particular career. Now you want to know, well, how do I get there, right? So what programs align with that? And if you go back to the overview for that career, you can see the available programs here at MiraCosta that would align with that. Human development, liberal arts, psychology, and psychology for transfer. If you wanted to explore all programs, you can click on programs and look at our academic and career pathways. We have 6 of them: business and tech, creative and applied arts, health sciences, language, communications and humanities, math and sciences, and social and behavioral sciences. So if I were to select one of these, then you get to see all the available programs within that academic and career pathways. And there's a lot of programs under this pathway. So that is Career Coach. It's a pretty robust tool that helps students explore different academic and career pathways based on your interests. As far as next steps, I would encourage you to set up an account, take the assessment, research careers and salaries, look at some of our programs that may fit your goals, and check out what jobs are available currently in your area of interest. And if you would like more support, you can always connect with the Career Center, specifically with a career counselor for more guidance.